Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Still your girl Sylvia. Today I'm going to show you how to make this deep conditioner. If it's your first time of watching my video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. So let's get started to this. So here I have my rice powder. I measured 1 tablespoon of rice powder and I poured it in a glass jar and added 1 cup of water. After adding the water, I allowed it to sit for 3 hours. And the next I added 1 tablespoon of fenugreek powder to 1 cup of water, just the same thing I did with the rice powder. And I allowed it to sit for 3 hours as well. Then my flaxseed I allowed to boil, and after boiling I sieved it. So after 3 hours I sieved the rice powder and fenugreek using my cheesecloth and a strainer to make sure there's no particles in it. At this point, I'm straining the flaxseed. So after straining my flaxseed, here my butter, I have my shea butter. Here I use 50 grams of shea butter, and I use the emulsifying wax. I use 50 grams of emulsifying wax, and in the other pot or in another bowl, I added the fenugreek water. I measured that 40 grams fenugreek, the water and the one I strained, and 40 grams of rice water, and with my butters in a different bowl and in a hot water bath. I allowed the oil to melt. Then at this point I mixed both the liquid and the oil together. So after adding it together, I stick blend it before adding my flaxseed. Just stick blend a little to make sure the liquid and the oil combines together. Then I added my flaxseed gel, 1 cup of flaxseed gel to it. Then I combine. Then I blend it until it thickens. Just keep blending it So at this point you see it thickens a bit, and when it cools down it's to become more thicker. So at this point you can add your preservative, but because I was using it immediately and have we're about 3 of us using this, so I didn't add preservative because I know that after using it it will be left with a little, so I added no preservative. But if you're using it and you're going to keep it for long, so you have to add the preservative to it. So at this point your deep conditioner is ready, and what I do, how I use this is, after washing my hair with shampoo and my hair is damp, I just apply it on my hair, and after applying it I cover with a plastic cap and allow it to sit between 30 minutes to 1 hour. For me, I leave it for 1 hour though, and after that I wash it off and style it as desired. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, share my videos, like them, comment if you have any question. See you next time. Bye.